Welcome! In front of me I have Vivax Fly 6 and today I will show you how you can install tempered glass on this smartphone. So at the first we have to prepare the good source of light, like in my case. When I take a look on the screen I can see a very mess on the screen, fingerprints, some kind of the hair and the dust. And that's what I recommend you to also get. And also we have to get the tempered glass. And when you open it, you will find glass and two wipes, wet and dry. And also in some cases you will also get the stickers to take off the piece of glass from the screen. But in this case I don't have it, so I'm going to make it with the wipe. It's not that easy like with stickers, but you can also use the duct tape. It will work in the same way. So as you can see on this phone, you can already find the pre-installed screen protection, but we are still making the installation with tempered glass to improve the protection of the screen. So at the first we have to prepare the wipes, and we are going to use the wet one. So we have to make the gestures like that in the circle, and if you finish, just put it back. Then move to the dry and just clean the screen. Okay, as you can see right now our screen looks much better, but as you can see right here, there's something underneath this protection. So when I try to remove it, I just cannot, because it's underneath the first film. It's very thin film. So our screen is in good condition, so we can prepare to put glass on it. Let's take a look one more time and just be sure that you cannot find here any kind of the mess. Okay, so right now just simply grab your tempered glass, take off this film like that, and then just simply put your glass here. Let's keep holding the bottom part when you are aiming the upper section, and when you finally put it correctly right here, you can press here and then put the bottom part just like that. And as you can see, when we slide with our finger like that, it will go almost automatically. So right now we have to grab this wipe and just take off these things from the glass, so we can make it like that. You can also use your fingernail and press with it. So you can slide with your fingernail on the edges. And as you can see, the installation process is finished. So right now we can easily turn on our device by using the power key on the right edge. So click and hold. And after a few moments, the Vivax logo will pop on the screen. And that's it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.